Here in Windsor, we're blessed with having lots of great trees. As part of the Carolingian forest types, and essentially our hardwoods, and we need to protect that. Not only just for the environment, but it's also great for our economy. If we're going to generate this town as a place to retire, people want to have green spaces, whether it's right in their own backyard or the park down the street or the wonderful space across town. And they want to be able to get there, they want to see it, and they want to enjoy it. And we need to appreciate what we have. A woodlot in Windsor is probably worth as much as something that's 20 times bigger somewhere else in the province, because we have native species that are unique to our area. We should count it as a blessing. And if part of that is having a tree bylaw, so much the better.